Hi everyone. Hi Joshua. Hi Gael. Hi Tyler. Hi Gigi. Good morning, Howji and Jorge and Ricardo. We're going to do our morning meeting. Let me fix this. All right. So today is June 18th, 2020. June is the sixth month of the year. It is June right now. 18 is our date, and 2020 is the year. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The weather is sunny and warm. Please look out your window and check. Is it sunny and warm where I live? If it's not sunny and warm outside your window, maybe it's partly cloudy, maybe it's very cloudy. Weather is different for a lot of us in the city. The season is spring, which means, but there we are about 2 days away from the next season, which is summer. How are you feeling today? Let's look at our emotions. We have scared, happy, sad, angry, excited, worried, surprised, silly, and frustrated. Today, I am feeling excited. Feel free to work on your Starfall calendar next. Bye bye.